Okay, now go back to the fire. Okay.
Take off. Choose the fly.
Don't put, ooh.
It's high. Ooh.
While it goes high.
Straight up. Alright, come down, come down. Go pressure in there. Ooh, don't let it receive it. That's not a bad idea. Perfect. It could definitely go far, but it can't. It's just not. It's not. Hold. Don't hit the flag.
That looks like this is trash. I'm trying to install the battery. I spent 30 minutes probably. It says something like slide it inside. Nothing happened. Look. I have 4 different batteries, nothing happens. This is one airplane. This is the other airplane. Don't buy this trash.
This is awesome. Oh my god. It looks so cool. Whoa. I've been having fun. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. That's a nice drone. Ah, it landed on the bed. Okay. That was nice, Poppy. That was
It's not going to get taken away by the wind. But we did have fun with it. The batteries are pretty easy to use, and it's durable, and it's I'd say it's pretty good for your money. So I hope you enjoy it.
Our 3-year-old grandson is having an absolute ball with this. And controlling it with ease just gets better every minute he operates it. He loves to land it and take off. Just can't say enough about this. This is a great buy.
No.
yeah. It doesn't spin. It's broken.